Is it affordable? Yes. Is it curly? Is it big? Is it soft? Yes. But what if I told you this was a drawstring ponytail?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
Hey loves, hey, it's your girl Lakandake here. Thanks so much for joining me on my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned to get all the deets on this look and a couple more. Here is the construction. It comes with 2 clips at the top and then 1 clip at the bottom. So this would be considered the bottom half or the back of the half up, half down. It smells okay. It doesn't really have a smell. I will say that's something I really like about Sensational products is that when you get them, there's no extreme smell one way or the other.
Tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, long night. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. it makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you see? Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's